how's it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Now, as you guys might already know, recently we have seen an inflation in smartphone prices, and every phone that is being launched nowadays seems to be more expensive compared to last year. Due to this inflation kind of thing, especially in the smartphone industry, I have noticed a lot of people have started buying phones from the second-hand market. No matter whether it's an Android or iPhone, there is always a better deal when you get a used phone unless or until your phone is locked. It might be because the previous owner has forgotten to remove his passcode, or even the device may have a FRP lock that blocks unauthorized access after factory reset. Getting locked out of your own device and you can't do much about it. This can happen to anybody, isn't it? I mean, even if you haven't purchased any second-hand phone, you can still forget your own passcode after not using your phone for a while. No matter whatever the reason is, I have got you the perfect solution that will help you to get out of this really bad situation. We are talking about the Wondershare Dr.Fone screen unlock. It's an amazing tool that can help you bypass any kind of lock on your phone safely and securely without any hassle. Now, first things first, in order to get started, you need to head over to the first link I have provided in the description below, and it's gonna take you to this official Dr.Fone's website. From here, you can take a quick glance at all the tools that Dr.Fone has to offer, and this is like your one-stop solution for all your smartphone needs. Now, once you decide to try it out, all you need to do is just hit on this download button and install this amazing piece of software on your PC or Mac. Once that is done, simply open it up, and now you'll be greeted with this clean and simple interface where we have got all kinds of different tools for your Android or iOS devices. But since we are looking for a way to unlock our phone, we'll click on the screen unlock section and it will show us a menu where you can choose between Android or iOS. Now, just to show you guys, I'll hit on iOS, and here you can see a bunch of options to unlock your iPhone screen. Remove activation lock, you can remove SIM unlock, and a lot more. But for me, I'm gonna select Android, and from here you have two options. The first one is unlocking the Android screen. So if you have forgotten the password or the pattern, this is what you're gonna select. And secondly, if you want to remove Google account lock on your Android, well, this can happen when you're buying a second-hand phone. So you can also remove Google FRP lock with the help of this amazing software. But for my situation, all I need to do is just click on the unlock Android screen, and now you will have to select your smartphone's brand. So whether you are using a Samsung phone or Oppo or Xiaomi or even a Pixel phone, we have got options for every single brand, and just click on the phone that you are currently using. So after selecting a specific brand, it will show you a step-by-step guide on how to boot your phone into recovery mode, and from there you can easily follow all these simple steps in order to unlock your phone's lock screen. Trust me, the entire process is super simple, and within no time your phone will get unlocked. All you have to do is just download the software on your PC or Mac and then follow the steps that I have shown in this video. Now, if you have got a Samsung phone, then there is another way to unlock your device, and this doesn't even require you to download any software on your PC. It's an online-based Dr.Fone FRP unlocking tool that allows you to unlock your device through your browser without installing anything. All you have to do is just visit the Dr.Fone official online FRP unlock page, and you will find a direct link for that as well in the description below. Here, just select Samsung and your device model. Then you need to enter your phone's IMEI number, and this will generate the correct unlocking information for your phone. Then just follow the step-by-step instructions to complete the process, and it will unlock your phone without any problem. I think this method is perfect for those who don't want to install any kind of software and need a simple browser-based solution to remove their FRP locks. So we have got multiple methods offered by Dr.Fone, and overall I think it's an incredible software that not only helps you to unlock your phone but also provides you with a bunch of useful tools that come in really handy in your day-to-day smartphone needs. I'll highly recommend you to try this one out. Link is in the description below. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.